Today the Herbots team is here in Massemen, in the environment of Ghent, by fancier Etienne Corthals. Etienne is winning the first national Montélimar on a distance of 730 kilometers with his cock B20 41 23 999. This cock makes a velocity of 1333.88 meters per minute. It's a middle-sized cock, no pedigree available, this will follow later. And he was very motivated because he got, especially for this race, his hen for a few days. Middle-sized type, very good build. You don't feel that he had a very hard race. Very nice eye, black type, black feathers, good muscles. Je moet de vleugel ook doen, zoals de straks. Ja, maar doe gewoon. Ja. You see that he is still very nervous, and he has already grown 2 wing feathers. Okay, so this is the winner of Montélimar 2022. Congrats from the head.